What is up guys, Tan at the sides. In this video, I'm going to compare two of the softwares which are OPNsense and IPfire. Both are powerful, free and built to protect your home or business network, but they are very different in design, features and philosophy. So which one would you choose in this year? Let's break down it for you. Let's start with what are they. So OPNsense is a free BSD-based firewall and router platform known for its modern interface, modular plugin system, and enterprise-level features. It was forked from pfSense and has become one of the top choices for advanced users, sysadmins, and even businesses. Whereas IPFire is a Linux-based and focuses on security, simplicity, and modularity. It uses a unique color-coded zone system to help segment networks easily. Both support firewalling, VPNs, intrusion detection, traffic shaping, but they go about it very differently. Now, let's move to the next step, which is features and flexibility. OPNsense is a rich plugin ecosystem, which is Sensei, WireGuard, HA proxy, and more. Built-in support for 2FA, geo-blocking, NetFlow, and DNS filtering. Frequent updates and deep customization, whereas IPFire is streamlined but less modular, built-in intrusion detection, IPsec, OpenVPN, traffic shaping, caching proxy, and firewall rules, whereas Package Manager supports extra add-ons like Clam AV and Guardian, but not as flexible as OPNsense plugins. So in the verdict, if you want advanced users and thinkers or uh, just advanced customization, you should choose OPNsense. And if you want a simple firewall deployments, you should choose IPfire. Now let's move to the next step, which is security and performance. So OPNsense is hardened FreeBSD based, weekly updates and security patches, built-in support for IDS, IPS, 2FA, SSL inspection, offers Sensei plugin for next-gen firewalling, whereas IPFire is strong security architecture, focuses on secure Linux kernel with SCL Linux features, Suricata for real-time intrusion detection, and great for embedded and low-power devices due to its lightweight design. So in the verdict, if you need a high-performance DPI enterprise-level filtering, you should choose OPNsense, and if you want a lightweight yet secure firewall for basic mid-level needs, you should choose IPFire. Now let's move to the final verdict. So you should choose OPNsense if you want a feature-rich modern enterprise-level firewall. You need strong plugin support, deep inspection, and regular updates. If you are comfortable with steeper learning curve for more control, you should choose OPNsense. But you should choose IPFire if you want a lightweight, secure, and easy to manage firewall. You're deploying on limited hardware. You like clear network zones and want a stable Linux-based option. So which one would you prefer? Do let me know in the comments. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.